Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Tag. You plus her. You're. Hit. It. Tag. You're it. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you. Good morning and welcome to our show, ladies and gentlemen. On my left, the man who won a game to wrap things up on Classic Concentration on Friday. His name is Stephen Glass. Let's make him feel welcome again. Good to have you back with us.
Thank you.
I did mention at the end of that program that you are single, but we don't know what you do.
Okay, out here visiting from New York, and back in New York, I help monitor city services back in New York City. I'm also a part-time adult education teacher and a volunteer emergency medical technician.
Part-time education?
Teaching adult English to adults.
Well, as you notice in our studio audience today, we have a group of students. They are here. They are grade 7 students from St. Alphonsus School in East LA. I don't know if they're here as part of their social studies class or communications, but we are delighted to have them here. And they will want to see this young man do well also on our program. He's the newcomer, Brad Topliff. Welcome, Brad. And good luck. Are you a student? You look as if you're young enough to be one.
Yeah, I'm a student at UCSB.
Really?
Santa Barbara.
Majoring in what?
Film studies. Film studies.
Oh, good for you. With a view to becoming a director or an actor? What?
Hopefully, yeah. I'd love to direct.
Direct?
Or produce.
Okay. Take a look over here. This will help you.
Samsung's big picture is this 31-inch MTS stereo color television with high-tech monitor styling and a deluxe 36-key remote control. Furnished by Samsung Electronics. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Marjorie. Stephen and Brad, take a look at the board. 31-inch color TV at number 11. A holiday on the Big Isle of Hawaii.
Ooh,
You can
I'd
go
love
there
to
with a
go
little
there.
camcorder or something and take
be
some
nice.
pictures, use the monitor.
I'd like to win a camcorder, too.
All right, Brad, you get to pick first.
Okay, let's find that big screen TV. If we can, I'd love that TV. Under number 10.
Red take.
I could take the TV. See if there's a match under number 18.
Lawn furniture, no match. Stephen.
Okay, Alex, let's try number 12 to start.
Number 12. Thank you.
Go.
Big Isle of Hawaii.
Oh, Alex, I want to go to Hawaii. How about number 16 for the match?
No electronic typewriter there. Brad.
Ooh, I could either watch TV or go to Hawaii. Let's see if there's one of those things under number 25.
I noticed you said you wouldn't be typing. There's a red take, and you
very
have
nice.
seen that.
I have seen that. I think it was under number 10.
Right.
All right.
Red take coming your way, Brad. And also coming your way, 2 pieces of the puzzle revealed. Select again.
Okay, let's see if we can find a great prize under number 2.
Wild card.
Even better.
Now, you have seen the big screen TV. You know where that is. You should remember where the Big Isle of Hawaii is
That's
also.
true. That's true.
What are you
I
gonna
think
do?
I think I'm going to go for that Big Island of Hawaii under number 12.
Number 12, the vacation.
Yes.
The other holiday in Hawaii at number 13, right next door. It's up there. Down here, we'll open 3 panels for Brad. Pick again.
Okay, let's see if we can open up that bottom part of the board. I think something's hidden under there. If we can check number 22.
Whirlpool bath.
Ooh, that'd be nice. Let's see if there's a match or a wild under number 4.
There is another whirlpool bath. There is a natural match. Another prize, another look. Try it again.
Okay, let's see if we can find there's another wild card. Let's see if we can find a number 6.
There are 3 wild cards in the first game. There's one of them. What are we matching that with?
I think I'm going to match it with a color TV because my TV at home, I got to watch it like that. So.
All right.
Let's try number 11.
Number 11 for the big screen TV.
All right.
The other one at number 3. 3 more panels opening. Go again.
Okay, let's check and see what that thing down at the bottom is under number 19.
That's a green take. That's what that thing is.
That'd be very nice. Let's see if there's a match under number 21.
No, ceiling fan. Stephen.
Okay, let's try to get back in this. How about number 5?
Pearl necklace.
Pearl necklace. I don't think we've seen that. Try to match that under number 20, Alex.
Electronic typewriter. No. And there's still the one wild card in play. Brad?
All right, let's see if we can find that wild card under number 14.
Luggage.
Luggage. Ooh, I love to travel. Let's see if there's some more luggage under number 1.
Natural match again. Looking good for you so far, isn't it, Brad?
Not bad. I'm happy. Very happy.
All right. Check it out. What can we possibly be hiding behind those remaining panels?
I really wish I knew.
Yes, I know you do.
Let's see if we can open something up under number 9.
Ceiling fan.
Have we seen that before? I think we might have. I'm going to try number 5.
No, that's the pearl necklace. Stephen?
Pearl necklace. Okay, Alex, try number 24.
Lawn furniture.
Lawn furniture. And try to match that under number 7.
No, that's a doll collection. Brad, back to you.
Let's see if we can. I want to find out what that thing is down in the lower left. Let's try number 17.
Green take.
Green take. We've seen that green take. I think it was under number 19.
I think you are right. Not that it does you any good right now. You've got both takes, so you're not going to lose any of your prizes.
Very nice.
Check out the puzzle now. Select.
Let's try something we haven't seen under number 8.
Pearl necklace.
Okay, and the match for that under number 5?
Right. How important will this piece be? Let's look. Ah, we still can't.
Still just evading my grasp.
right, go
Let's see if
again.
we can open something up under number 23.
There's the wild card. Well, now you've got a big decision to make, Brad. Which piece of the puzzle do you feel is most valuable to you at this time? Which one do you think will help you solve this puzzle?
I think I'm going to have to open up number 9 to find out what that is. I can't
All
figure
right,
that one
that's
out.
the ceiling
Very
fan.
nice, very nice.
Wouldn't it be nice for your sake if the other ceiling fan was at number 7? But where would the natural match have occurred? At number 21.
That's okay.
Let's see what happens. Pick again. 3
Still
more
don't know.
matches up there. 3
Okay.
more prizes.
Let's try number 20.
Electronic typewriter.
Was the match for that on number 15?
No.
No. All collection.
Okay,
Stephen?
Alex, let's see what we can do here. Number 18,
Lawn furniture.
lawn furniture. Was the match for that at number 24?
Right.
Yeah.
Open these 2 panels for Stephen. One more match will do it, Stephen.
Okay, we're going to try it. How about number 16?
Electronic typewriter.
And was that number 15?
Oh, a costly error. Brad.
Okay, let's finish off this puzzle with number 15.
Doll collection.
And the match for that under number 7.
That is right. Now you have both takes.
Yeah, I'll take the lawn furniture.
The lawn furniture. Put it up there. Open the doll collection panels. Show him 16 and 20. We know that's the electronic typewriter. And now, Brad, for every prize in this game, including a holiday in Hawaii, solve the puzzle.
State loves comb scent.
State loves comb scent. No. Stephen? All right. Let me assist you, gentlemen. Get your hands on those signaling buttons because that first symbol is very important. Those people in our audience who are students of geography know that the arrows are pointing at the state of Missouri. So put that together with all the rest. Missouri loves. Brad is in
Misery
first.
loves company.
Misery loves company. Come on to the board, Brad.
Okay, this really threw me off because I didn't get that right till the
What
end.
state did you think it was?
You know, I just thought it was a generic state. I wasn't
Ah,
quite
the
sure,
old
but it-
generic state trick.
Yeah. It's Missouri for misery, as Alex explained, and loves.
What do you mean claimed?
I said explained.
Oh, I see.
A comb right there and plus a penny is company. Misery loves company.
Misery loves company. No misery for you. A little bit of misery for Steven because he
Okay,
missed that one
one
also,
strike.
but he'll be back to play in the next game. We'll see you in
Good luck.
that
Win
one.
the car, Brad.
We've got a lot of work to do right now. Well, Gene has a lot of work because you won every prize on the board. Go, Gene.
An electronic typewriter, a ceiling fan, a Whirlpool bath, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a Whirlpool bath or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and a doll collection. Bradley's limited edition collection of lovely Victorian ladies styled with porcelain hands, head, and feet adds a decorative touch to any room furnished by Bradley Collectible Dolls. And lawn furniture, Lloyd Flanders Bay Breeze Series all-weather perma wicker patio furniture, quality crafted, designed to complement any outdoor setting, furnished by Lloyd Flanders. And luggage, Ventura Collection, world-class luggage designed for fast packing, easy traveling with easy glide wheels on the Pullman, furnished by Ventura. And a pearl necklace, a matinee length cultured pearl necklace, 6 to 6.5 millimeter, beautifully adorned with a 14-karat gold clasp from the fine jewelry collection of the Michael C. Fina Company. And the Big Isle of Hawaii. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Honolulu. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Kona Surf Resort and Country Club. Enjoy the view from oceanfront lava cliffs and the exotic garden setting, a new tradition in Hawaiian hospitality furnished by Kona Surf Resort and Country Club. Yes. And, of course, the handsome 31-inch color TV. Prizes worth $7,774.
Big win for Brad, and we're coming back to see if he can double that by winning a car after this. All right, Brad, you're on a roll. Let's see if you keep it going. 15 numbered squares, 35 seconds, base time on the clock. Good luck, go to work.
Okay, 1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No again.
7, 9.
No.
10, 12.
No.
7, 10. Oh.
No.
13, 15.
No.
7, 15.
Right.
2, 5.
No.
10, 2.
Right.
8, 11.
No.
1, 11.
No.
3, 6.
No.
8, 6.
Yep.
9, 14.
No.
1, 14.
Yep.
3.
You missed the charade match. You had it in your grasp, and then you went to another number instead, and you had just seen it. But you've got $7,774 in prizes, which is really good going for just one game. We'll be back, game 2 after this. We start off this second game by showing our players this prize.
This beautiful, handmade, colorful floral 6x9 Oriental rug is 100% wool pile and is a handsome accessory to any room. Yours with a gift certificate from Emser International. Alex.
And that can be found, that magic carpet at number 10. Cash pot was won by Steven on our last program, so it's down to 500 today. We've got the bonus seconds in this game and a Las Vegas resort vacation.
All right.
Steven goes first.
Go.
Okay, we're going to try to get that Las Vegas. Start off in the corner at number 1, Alex.
Cash pot.
Cash pot again. How about a match right underneath at number 6?
No diamond and topaz pendant. Brad?
Let's go right in the middle with my lucky number 13.
Las
Oh,
Vegas.
nice. Lucky 13 for Las Vegas.
Las Vegas, man.
All right, maybe there'll be, let's go for another lucky number, 7.
5 bonus car seconds. No match. Steven.
Okay, let's see if we can find Las Vegas. How about number 18?
There's a wild card.
Hey!
Now, you've got a choice. You've seen Las Vegas, the bonus seconds, and you have seen the cash pot.
I'm going to go back to, let's try Las Vegas back in number 13.
13
Yeah.
for the holiday in Vegas. The other Las Vegas vacation right next door. 3 panels opening up.
A little too early.
Go again.
Okay, how about number 5 in the corner?
Red tape.
Okay, red take. Try to match that under number 15.
There's another
All right.
wild card. So the red take is coming Steven's way. The other one on the board at 17. Save this and open this. Go again.
Okay, how about number 21 in the corner?
Green
Green
take.
take. Try to match that up right next to it at number 22.
Microwave and bread maker. That's a wild
nice.
combination.
I'm a
Brad?
student, I need to cook.
Yeah, all right.
Let's try number 24. Open up that side.
China dinnerware.
I also need to eat off some China dinnerware, so let's see if we can find a match or a wild under number 3.
Cardboard gets old pretty fast. China dinnerware is a natural match, and Brad is good at doing that. And let's see how good he is at solving this puzzle. Pick again.
Okay. Let's open up that side of the board with number 6.
Diamond topaz pendant.
That'd be nice. My girlfriend would love that. Let's see if there's a match for that or a wild under number 16.
Microwave bread maker. Stephen.
Okay, let's see if we could try to match that bread maker. Was that number 22? And
Yeah.
number 16 for the match.
Right.
All right.
You've got the tape. He's got a prize.
Okay, I'm going to hold it for a little while, Alex.
All right. 2 doors opening for Stephen.
Okay, not enough yet.
Pick again.
Okay, let's try number 7.
Bonus seconds.
Bonus seconds. Did we see that under number 1?
Nope. That's
that
the
was
cash pot. Brad.
Okay, let's try number 25, see if we can get a diagonal match across the board.
Diamond topaz pendant.
Close enough. Let's see the match for that on number 6.
Almost a diagonal match, but 1 block off.
Close enough, close enough.
Close enough, says
right.
Brad. Open it up. Pick again.
Okay, let's see something we haven't seen yet under number 10.
Oriental rug.
That Oriental rug was very nice, looked very comfortable. Let's see if we can find a match or a wild under number 23.
No. Computer.
computer.
Stephen. Boom, there's the bell. You won't get a chance for the take. We're going to start revealing the puzzle. Get your hands close to those signaling buttons. Here we go. Number 1. Whoa, Stephen is in there like a shot.
Is it lethal weapon?
Lethal weapon for a win in the game. Yes.
Yeah!
And a holiday and a microwave oven with a bread maker. Come on, Stephen. Well done.
Okay,
Good comeback.
great. Okay, this is General Lee plus the TH plus the Hall for lethal. The we plus the pawn is weapon. Lethal weapon.
All right. Well done. Brad, 1 strike only. You were a big winner in the other game, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Right now, though, Stephen wants to hear about his prizes, including that holiday. Gene, tell him.
A microwave and bread maker. This super quick microwave oven and combination bread bakery lets you bake and broil, plus automatically kneads dough. Furnished by Panasonic and a Las Vegas resort. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Las Vegas, and you'll spend 6 nights at Bally's Casino Resort, Las Vegas. Fun and excitement is yours with 6 first-class restaurants, 2 showrooms, and a 40-shop mall. Furnished by Bally's Casino Resort. Prizes totaling $2,467.
And when we return, we'll give Stephen another shot at the cars. Right after these messages. During the break, Gene Wood shouted at Stephen. He says, "Win the car, Stephen." And Stephen says, I'm trying.
Gene.
Well, let's see how well he tries and if he succeeds. 15 numbered squares going into position. The clock at 45 seconds for you. Off you go.
1, 2,
Nope.
3, 4,
Nope.
5, 7,
Yes.
8, 10,
No.
10, 2,
No.
4, 11,
No.
13, 14,
No.
13, 11,
No.
3, 10,
Yes.
12, 11,
No.
8, 9,
No.
15, 8,
Yes.
6, 12,
No.
9, 2,
No.
2, 11,
No.
2, 13.
Gosh, that Civic and that Metro really gave you a
Yeah.
lot of trouble, didn't it? You were all over
Started
them.
out, yeah.
You just got confused between those two, but that's okay. You have $5,482,
good,
including
so-
a holiday in Las Vegas, and I know that excites you. We'll take a break. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive this Sanyo portable AM, FM, stereo cassette recorder CD player with 20 program memory. Features bass expander circuitry for bass enhancement and synchronous dubbing, furnished by Sanyo. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
It's amazing. There are days when I feel I'm a very good judge of human character. And when Stephen joined us as a contestant on the program and then said he was from New York, I got the feeling that here is a young man who would probably enjoy going to Las Vegas. And that's what he enjoys doing. Now, when he was working with the numbers in that bonus round, he made a mistake. He selected 1, 2, wanted to go to 4, 5. He said 3, 4 instead, and it threw him right off.
A little bit. Try to get it on the next one.
All right, that doesn't happen in Vegas to you, though, does it?
No, I won't let that happen.
We'll see you all next time. So long.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.